how in English we'll say fudge or shoot instead of swearing? Did you know that this is done in other languages as well? I want to show you a couple of examples in French. By the way, this video is also inspired by another creator who does a lot of Spanish language content, so I've linked her below and check her out. In my experience, the most common swear word in France is putain, sort of like the F word, but not in all cases. And so sometimes kids or around certain company, you might say instead punaise or purée. Punaise is like a pushpin and purée is mashed potatoes. And then similarly to Spanish, instead of saying merde, you could say mercredi, which is Wednesday. If you know of any other fun ones, I'd love to hear them in the comments.